If you want to ask a question, anything when they ask you, the answer straight.
What happened between you and them?
The answer.
Wait.
Wahala be like bicycle. Wahala be like bicycle. Not the way Musa no go see for gate. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, this ogbonge news will come out, so the thing shockalize me, oh my people. Hey, not be smart thing, oh, person not go see for this social media. Oh. This boy, oh, now where they waka out those men, we go carry woman come house. We after you do enough igbo or enough drink, you know, can't know woman where you carry. My people, this one and yanga they sleep, oh, trouble go wake am. After this guy don't smoke enough igbo and he don't hide now, he go carry woman for road. Oh. As he carry woman for road, they carry the go house. As he reach house, now he come see say, na mad like can be. My people, oh, not the way person not go see we drink, oh, not the way person not go see you. This guy carry man like am go house, he don't know it. This is a woman now he carry. As he reach house, now he come see say, as the one come do kili wawa. Kele wawa. Now I can't know say na man like him. Now in carry my darling people. Wahala be like bicycle, my people. Not the way person not go see for this social media. This abule matter, not the way we not go see, my people. This one shocked me like seriously, my darling people. Wahala dey oh, wahala dey. This guy, so they come begin they ask and say, "You don't say when you don't they do this kind of thing. Where be say you go dress like woman, who see you go to say you be man. When una go come reach where una they go, now those one after you don't collect money from there, then they'll come know say na man like them, na him they carry after you don't collect money." E don't say when this guy don't they do this thing. You know one parable wey say every day for the thief, one day for the owner. I believe say now the time when they want to catch this boy, now it just comes. So my darling people, now the time just comes. So how can a man person go just do this life? They dress like woman, they go everywhere. They dress like woman, they go everywhere. Then after I don't dress like woman finish, they will come carry and go as they'll come find out say na man like them, na in they carry. The thing go come they shockalize me. Not the way person not go see for this social media. This guy, he don't say when he don't they do this thing though, before they come finally catch him now say, now this kind of thing, now in they do, in go dress like woman. Many where they carry anyhow, where they drink. After you don't drink, you don't go know what you they do again. Now people like una, na me I can't talk to you. People like una, where go just see anything in skirt, you go begin the enter inside. Maybe indoor high now, indoor smoke igbo. When I know say igbo fit make person do anything where you no want do. And this one now. After indoor high now, indoor smoke, after enough, you just carry see woman for road, the carry. You don't know say na man like me, we get walking stick like him, we get cassava like him, now he go carry you. He reach there now, as he just carry the guy reach house, he want just say make him do, now he say na walking stick like him. Now he dey with the guy. Oh Lord God, now he come to see. And then come ask and say, my brother, how I take day? What did they play? Now the guy come tell am say, "Don't when you don't they do am abeg o." Now people come gather o. They come begin dey ask am question. My darling people, video dey o. I go put am on the list. Not be smart you. Not the way person no go see for this social media wey we dey so. Not the way person no go see, my darling people. So as I see the video, I say no, ma I can't tell me. Ogbonge people make dem see listed. Make dem see here wetin dey happen for inside abule. Okay, oh, my ogbonge people, I go put the video more and see when they use the man the shop onions. Me una hear tori, me una then una go come shock tell like say things dey happen for this world oh. Things dey happen oh. You wey dey carry, make sure say you look before you carry oh. May you no go carry man like you or wish enter house so you come begin dey cry, dey regret your life. So my darling people, I will put the video now more and see am. More help me share the video too, more and share am make it go viral. Thank you. Bye.
Me waiting and they call and way they call himself investigative journalist. This woman be like say you dey craze. No be like you are a mentally derailed human being. You no get you dey mad.
You don't talk to people like that.
What kind of animal are you? What do you take? What kind of cheap drugs? Like fancy
I disagree.
Jesus.
You don't talk to people like that.
Now, this video is for Mommy Adame. I want to appeal to you. You're a mother. I respect you. I watched you as a child, and my children still watch you as children. They still watch the Johnsons. In fact, they are your fans. Please, I want to appeal. Can you change your method of correction? Can you change your method of calling people out? I know Nigerians are hailing you, but as a mother, I feel it's very, very wrong. You don't correct people with bad correction. For every time you want to correct people, for every time you want to talk about something, you have to insult, debase. No, those things are for touts. For every time I listen to you talk, when you are upset, when you disagree with somebody, or when somebody says something you don't like, it's scary. A lot of people might be hailing you, but it's I know you're upset. I know what the person would have done is wrong. I just watched a video right now. You were calling Dr. Kemi Olulayo out. Trust me, what she said, I don't even support it. My intention was after church, I would actually put a call across to her and we talk about it. It's not just Dr. Kemi, other people that you get to drag. For every time you're dragging people, you are insulting, you're calling them mad, you're calling them crazy, you're calling them lunatic. Yes, you might disagree with them. Yes, that thing they said might be wrong, but that's not the best way to correct people. You make people worse by insulting them. There is no difference between you and these people that you insult. It's so deep and so rage that if they allow you, you can even become them. We can't be bringing up the same monsters that we hate. We cannot be saying we hate the same thing and we are doing it in a different way. We can still correct people with love. We can still tell people that they are wrong with love. You don't have to tell them I love you, but there's how you can still say it in a more civil way, because a lot of young people are looking up to you. I see a lot of comments on blogs. They're always hailing you each time you do this insult. But no, imagine if you get to insult people like this and they insult you back. So please, I'm appealing. What you're saying might be 100% correct, but please, can you change the method of you're mad, you're stupid, you're da. No, so that one day somebody doesn't pick up on you and just throw the same word back at you. You might not like it. You might disagree with somebody.